your fitment, check out our website at Dynojet.com to make sure you're getting the right power commander for your bike.
Do you want to do another take, or are you good with that?
So it fits the 121, fits the 117 HO.
Sure, yeah, if you're not sure, just stop it and just say along with like the following month or something, you know?
Along with the following models listed on our site. So if you're unsure of your fitment, check out Dynojet.com.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Go with that. I just said it. It's good enough.
Yeah?
Dan, you want to chime in?
Nothing like cold Bud Light after now.
It better not be Bud Light. All right. That sound you just heard is the security module for this new 2023.5 Harley-Davidson CVO, and we are bringing you the all-new Power Commander 6 that fits this application. We now have control of fuel and timing on this bike, as well as the ability to upgrade our Power Commander 6 with things like our quick shifter and the Pod 300. Not only does this Power Commander 6 fit this 2023.5 Harley-Davidson CVO, with auto turning handlebar feature, with the 121-inch engine, with the VVT, it also fits the models listed on our website. So check out Dynojet.com for more information. That was funny.